Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS by BRV. My name is Pumit and today we are going to discuss on one cue card. Describe a film you watched, describe a movie you watched. The sub questions are where you watched it, what was the movie about, how you felt about. Now friends, all the topics which I am discussing with you are the new ones with an out of the box answers. I have also prepared in the same way and got the desired coveted bands. Now entire video is divided into 4 sections. Section 1 is thought for the day. Section 2 is discussion on the speaking topic. Section 3 is tips which include discussion on the vocabularies, idioms or phrases which are used in this particular topic. Section 4 is narration on the word palatable. But before that, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos so that it encourages me to make more such videos. Section 1, thought for the day. In this current topsy-turvy lifestyle, laughter is the best medicine. In this current topsy-turvy lifestyle, laughter is the best medicine. Now the meaning of this sentence is, in this upside down world which is full of confusion and chaos, laughter is the best and effective medicine. This sentence can be used in speaking or in essay where you are describing about this chaotic world or describing about your hectic lifestyle or schedule. Section 2 is the speaking topic. Describe a film or a movie you watched. In this topsy-turvy lifestyle, which is full of stress, pain and conflicts, one of the effective ways to amuse or entertain yourself is to watch movies. There are a number of movies I have seen in English language, in my national language and my vernacular language. It's quite hard to say what my favorite movie is because there are quite a few to choose from. But I would say that the one that made the strongest impression on me is Lage Raho Munna Bhai. Now this movie is the sequel to the film Munna Bhai MBBS. I saw this movie with my family at a multiplex near my house. It is the story of a rowdy who is known as Munna Bhai, who earns money from ransom and by other illegal activities. This man falls in love with the radio jockey by merely listening her voice. One day, she announces a quiz about knowledge on Gandhiji, the father of nation. Munna Bhai decides to participate in this quiz and wins it anyhow in a funny way and meets the heroine. Later on, due to doing so much study on Gandhiji, he suffers from hallucination and fantasizes him everywhere. He talks to Gandhiji and seems to develop a psychotic condition. Everything shown is in comic manner. This situation changes his life and he starts following the principles of truth and non-violence shown by Mahatma Gandhi. He also shows the same path to the other characters of the movie. Now I like this film because it has fascinating characters and also the plot has plenty of twists. Right up till the end of the film, we are left guessing how it could possibly end. This movie is actually a mix-up of comedy and philosophy of life. The director has given the message of Gandhiji in such a unique and a palatable way that everyone who watches the movie believes that the principle of truth and non-violence are eternal. All in all, it is a must-see movie that not only teaches us but also touches our heart. Now the section 3 is tips which include discussion on the idioms, phrases and vocabularies which are used in this particular topic. Topsy-turvy lifestyle. As I said earlier, up and down lifestyle, life which is filled with stress. Amuse. Amuse means entertainment. I have used both the words amuse and entertainment. It is effective while speaking. In this topsy-turvy lifestyle, in this up and down lifestyle which is full of stress, pain, conflicts, one of the effective ways to amuse yourself, to entertain yourself is to watch movies, to sing songs. Vernacular. Vernacular means a local language or your mother tongue. Now the word quite a few. The meaning of this word is a fairly large number. Yes, I have seen many movies. I have seen quite a few movies, a large number of movies, and of those, this is the best movie that I like. Now the word sequel, a published or a broadcasted work that relates to the earlier one. I am here talking about this movie Lage Raho Munna Bhai, and it is the sequel of the previous movie Munna Bhai MBBS. Rowdy. Rowdy in noun form means a disorderly person, a noisy person. Those who have seen this movie will recognize the meaning of this word. Munna Bhai was rowdy, he was a disorderly person. Ransom. Now ransom is a kind of a payment which is received on releasing a captive. Those people who kidnaps, those who are kidnappers, they demand money, and that is known as ransom. It's an illegal activity. Merely means just or only. Just by hearing the voice of the radio jockey, Munna Bhai felt in love with the radio jockey. Hallucination. Now, hallucination means illusion. Illusion which was experienced because of reading much more about Gandhiji. That is known as hallucination or illusion. Fantasizes. Fantasizes means imagining the occurrence of something. Munna Bhai imagined the occurrence of Gandhiji. He told that he is alive, he is with us, but it was not true. Fascinating. Fascinating means extremely interesting. I like this movie because there are fascinating characters. There were many interesting characters. There was Munna Bhai, there was Circuit, and many other characters. It is a fascinating book. Eternal. Now, eternal means lasting or existing forever. Yes, it is rightly said that principles of truth and non-violence by Mahatma Gandhi are eternal. They are still existing. Now, section 4 is narration on the word palatable. Now, palatable is the word which is actually related to the taste. Example, a very palatable local red wine. Other similar words are tasty, finger licking, eatable, edible, etc. But you can also use this word when you are talking about an action or a proposal which is very much satisfactory or acceptable or pleasant or pleasing. For example, this makes it the responsibility of the cook to make sure the food is palatable. Although the price of vegetables were slightly higher during lockdown, it was palatable to the local people. During lockdown, the price of many things were at the peak. Vegetables was also higher, but it was digestible to the local people. Local people were happy to buy at that particular price as well. Local people were happy to buy, so it was palatable to the local people. In the same way, the director of the movie presents the plot of Lage Raho Munna Bhai in a palatable way, in a digestible way. I hope you like this video. Please do hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Goodbye. Sayonara.